Okay, so we drilled a pilot hole into our centerboard, and we're looking to enlarge that pilot hole. Of course, the first pass is most important because we're going to set up a nice channel into our copper pipe, so we can bring down our centerboard cable from the cable trunk. So we're just going to slowly enlarge this hole, and I think a 7/32 drill bit should do it. So, all right. And all we have to do is follow the pilot hole. And we're in there. Alright, nice and clean. Okay, and for our next piece of work, what we're going to do is we're going to end up grinding off the copper pipe where our pivot pin will go.
I'm going to go back.
Okay. Here we go. And this is the continuation of the work we've been doing on this tartan 27 centerboard after we finished up fiberglassing and drilling a hole for the centerboard cable. And it's dead center. We have it in there. Ended up going with a larger drill bit diameter so we can get our cable in there. And that was a 3/8 inch diameter. Also, we ground off the copper pipe where the pivot pin will go. And this is ready to be fiberglassed once it dries, because good old Ohio, we did get some rain out there and we had to move the project back inside. But being sailors, we're used to inclement weather and we kind of look forward to it once in a while. So we're going to flip this over and we're going to finish the other side and let it dry out, and then we'll do our final coat of fiberglass and barrier coat, and should be ready to install on the boat. Okay, so this concludes our work session here with the tartan 27 centerboard, and we ground the copper pipe off. It's flush. Another thing I did was I took my grinder and I went ahead and opened up this cavity larger here down to bare steel. As you can see, the steel plates in there. And what that's going to allow the fiberglass to do and the epoxy resin is have a little better grip on the interior surfaces. I'll give it a quick sand and wipe with acetone, mix up a nice patch of thickened epoxy, and apply it in that crack and seal it up nice. When I fair and barrier coat the rest of the board. A little point of interest is this is a plug that was taken from the transom on the tartan, and as you can see, this is about 6 inches above the water line, and that's about I don't know, maybe 5/8 inch thick. I don't have my tape measure with me. Unfortunately, it's out in the rain and I really don't feel like getting wet, but you can see this is a testament to the quality of construction of the tartan 27, especially the hull. They did a great job. So if you find a good old boat and need a little elbow grease, and you get a really nice sailor, nice and comfortable and safe for the family.